Lưu ơi, this is the backyard, the garden. Look at that papaya. Yep. Your mango. That's water. Oh, this is lá lốt. Remember the leaf that you want to grab with your beef? Cây đó cây gì à? Oh, I guess no more mangoes. All the mangoes are picked. Yep, all the mangoes are picked. Even the neighbor's mangoes. It's all picked, it's all clear. Ooh. Yeah. Haha, I found one. Up high. You know, here they always burn their trash, burn their own trash. No one gonna pick it up and dump away for you. Ủa này là trái gì Mai? It's not been back, is that?
Hồi nhỏ mà hay hái chơi mà không biết cái gì. Mình giống trái khóm. Dễ thương ha. Thời nay mà còn
Bà dì Tám bà trồng nhiều cái khóm nhà bà. Mai qua xin bà cái đâm xuống cái đất ngày mai ăn đi. Mai coi có cái bamboo nào cho lửa trôi. Ủa, cây gì mà có hoa lạ vậy?
mấy cây đó gió, mấy cây trường sinh mà tao trồng trong nhà đó.
I don't know that.
Trong nhà tao trồng mấy cây đó nó nghĩ tốt chứ.
Trời ơi, bamboo của nhà Mai.
Bữa giờ có quá trời non nhưng ba không có gì ăn.
He finished all the bamboo. He picked out all the bamboo and give it away to people, huh?
Dình ông nói ông tiếc của, ông cắt vô ông ăn rồi chết.
Trời ơi, vậy thôi xong cho hàng xóm chảy.
Chị qua ông cắt dạo đó.
A lot of mango trees, but that's non-exist. They pick it all, threw it away, sold it all. I don't know. Ah, kumquat. Wow. I don't know if you can see it, Lou. Look at this kumquat tree, Lou. They even have thorn, big thorn. You see? The tree doesn't look that big to me, but then, yeah. I didn't know it can grow that tall and that high. Even have a lemon tree. Has a lot of fruits. Lemon here is very cheap. Let's see, I bought 3 or 4 for less than a penny. It's almost at the end of the farm. There's some fish in here, like catfish and stuff in here, but I don't know if you can see it. Can you really see any fish? There's a lot. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, they were down. This is where my father sometimes stay here when he take care of his garden. Oh, you know, when he's watering it at soil, whatever, you know, that's his rest stop. See, we go that far, but it's just only halfway only. Okay, that's it. This is where all the fertilizer been kept. Soy and like a shred house. I don't know if you can see, we can continue all the way down more, but your friend is lazy. Is that durian tree?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this macaque, little Joy. That's macaque too. This durian, no fruit yet. No fruit. Even jackfruit, no fruit.